Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add more Apple Watch faces to the Apple Watch. It doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. And today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE first generation. And for those who don't know what is the watch face of the Apple Watch, so this is the appearance, the look of your main screen. So you can change them by clicking and holding on the main watch face that you have, and as you can see I have only two watch faces. I can add new by the Apple Watch, and maybe not allow. I can add new watch faces through the Apple Watch by itself, as you can see. And for example, let's go for a brief and go add, and maybe I can go with this style, for example. Then I can change the complications, so the setup, what should be displayed in the every corner. And this is how you can do it through your Apple Watch. As you can see, I can, for example, go with this. Now maybe with the percentage of the battery, and on the bottom maybe activity. Why not? And now I can add this to my Apple Watch, as you can see. And also you can do this through the watch app, and I do recommend by doing this through the watch app because it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to just use your phone to do this. And if you want to add some new, you have all the watch faces that you have already downloaded or set to your Apple Watch, and to add some more you just need to go to the face gallery on the very bottom of your iPhone. And now you can choose with a lot of various options of the watch faces. Let's for example use lunar, and as you can see also you can adjust the colors, the calendar, which one you would choose, the analog or the digital. And every watch face has different options of customizing it. Sorry. And after you have done all your customization and all, you have set it to get on the watch face what you want it to be, just click add, and now you have just added it to your faces. And now, as you can see, you can now click on the watch face that you want to, maybe this one, and just click set as current watch face. And as you can see, it has changed on the Apple Watch by itself. So yeah, this is it. This is how you add more watch faces to your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.